Hi, it's Sue here from Inspired Messages Monday. It is the 29th of July, so we're nearly at the end of the month, and I'm here again with my messages of positivity, hopefully, and the astrology for the next couple of weeks. But remember that I do post every day on Facebook. And I know there are some of you out there, because I've been told that you really enjoy the posts on Facebook. So here we have them written down, so that's really good for if you're taking my newsletter. If you don't take my newsletter, please sign up for it on astrologysue.com, and you will get a free ebook as well about astrology. Okay, so let's get started with the messages. So first of all, there's a need to move away from repetitive patterns. Now, we all do the same thing. We all react in a particular way, don't we, when we get into certain situations. So it's about being aware of that and trying to change it. So one of mine is agitation. I get agitated, so it's about softening that and realizing that I do need the agitation, because the opposite of that is initiation, but I need to not get so impatient. But that's my Mars in Aries doing that, and I'm aware of that, obviously, because I know my chart. And so I'm always trying to work on that side of me. So repetitive patterns will stop us from moving forward. And, you know, I've said before, if we always do what we've always done, we're always going to get what we've always got. So think about that. And also, it's about healing wounds at the moment in the feminine. And that's male or female, because there's too much yang energy, which is the war energy, and we need more femininity, more creativity, more left brain, and so we need to heal any problems that we've got. You know, again, you know, if you're angry all the time, and it's about also using your intuition. If you use your intuition in your gut, you know, you will usually get the right answer. So don't go against that, and use your intuition when you're making decisions, and act when the time is right. And there is transformation around for us if we do the work. And also, if you any little thing that you can do for anybody else, being kind to them, or speaking up, or saying your piece, that is important right now. And even if it's something small, it has a ripple effect in the energy around us. Okay, so they're the messages. So we're going to start Monday the 29th. We start the week with the Sun trining Chiron, the planet of healing. And now you can use this energy to heal other people. If you're in, you know, that kind of job, then that's great. So you might be into, you know, massage therapy, for instance, or Reiki, but also receiving it. So you can either give it or receive it today. Use the energy well, and any kind of like healing, like shiatsu or anything that can help. Either you go and receive some, or you give it to somebody else. Now the moon moves into Cancer at 12:30 British summer time, and that will bring empathy and caring and compassion into the mix, and it actually is going to help with that Sun trining the Chiron. So Tuesday the 30th, we've got the Sun squaring Uranus. Now a square is always a challenge. This does actually bring a need for independence, but it also is giving you the ability to adapt to new ideas maybe. But watch out that plans, you know, suddenly change, because that can happen. And watch out for this on the world stage as well. That's plans changing or disruption of any kind. And then we jump to Thursday, the 1st of August. There will be a new moon in the sign of Leo, allowing you to take center stage and create your own style of creativity. anything that's artistic, so singing, acting, dancing, helps, boost your self-confidence, really. And Leo loves life, so it's time to plan your goals. It's a new moon for the next 28 days. And remember to do the new moon ritual. And if you've not got one, then I will send you a PDF of how to do the new and the full moon rituals. And then Friday, the 2nd, we're going to have Venus squaring Uranus. And so Venus is about relationships and money. And Uranus, can trip us up and things happen suddenly. So, it might represent a flash in the pan relationship, one without commitment and a future, or an unusual relationship of some kind, one that involves freedom, where you're with somebody and they live in one place and you live in another. But also, because it rules money, you need to think about your money and make sure that maybe joint finances are okay and ticking over properly. Okay, and then on the Sunday, the 4th of August, we're going to have Mars making a challenging aspect to Pluto, the planet of power and transformation. But because this is a difficult aspect, it might bring power struggles and manipulation between you and another. If it is happening, just back off for a couple of days until the energy's gone. Don't get drawn into a drama. Monday the 5th of August, we start the day at 7 a.m. with the moon sextiling Venus, and that's British summertime. Feeling at one with your loved one, feeling that, nothing could ever go wrong, and feeling, much love between you and your significant other. At 14:27 British summertime, the moon will sextile Jupiter. Again, happy, optimistic, feeling really, really good, feeling that life, couldn't get any better. But at 15:45, that's a little bit later, British summertime, the moon will square Saturn. Now, this can make you feel alone, but, the moon does move fast, so stick with it. It will be okay. And then on Tuesday, the 6th, actually, this is happening late at night on the 6th, so it's really for the 7th. At 2013 of the 6th, British summertime, we're going to have the astrological point of Lammas, which is, it connects really to the harvest. And then it really means that the summer is maybe ebbing away, nights are starting to draw in as autumn approaches. And then that's on the Wednesday, that's on the Tuesday. On the Wednesday the 7th, the sun will trine Jupiter. Now this again is, it's a trine, it's Jupiter, it's the sun, so it's a great day for expansion, enthusiastic in all you do. And this helps because we also have the waxing half moon, which helps with the goals that you made on the new moon, back on the 1st. So a brilliant day really for doing anything you want to that is going to expand your projects. And then on Thursday the 8th, we're going to have the sun making a challenging aspect to Saturn. So this can make you think you're not good enough as you experience fear of failure. But at the same time that day, we're going to have Venus trining Jupiter, and that will lift the mood. And you could actually meet somebody new under that aspect, because I actually met my husband John when I had Venus trining Jupiter. So a good day, a good night to be out and about if you're looking for a new partner. And on Friday the 9th, Venus is going to square Saturn again. This is at 9 a.m. British summertime on Friday the 9th. It may be difficult to feel loved or fall in love as you feel you don't deserve it, but the feeling won't last. And I'm going to suggest, if you do feel like that, do something nice for yourself. Go and have a massage, have your hair done, go to the pictures, go for a walk. whatever, you know, just make the energy change. Don't go into despair. Okay, Saturday the 10th, Mercury is back in Leo because it's moving backwards, and it's back in Leo till the 29th of August. This is going to help you plan on the grand scale, but you're going to want to leave the details to others, which is fine if that's a possibility. It's great for motivating others as well, this particular aspect. And also look out for the moon and Jupiter in the night sky on Saturday the 10th. You know, they'll be together, and Jupiter's very, very bright, a very, very bright star because it's a planet. And on Sunday the 11th of August, we're going to have the Sun making a bit of a challenge to Neptune. Beware of being deceived or seduced by what seems to be too good to be true schemes. Again, I always think if there's a negative aspect around us, do something nice. Now, Neptune rules films, poetry, music. So if you know, have got the opportunity to do any of those things, meditation, walking in nature, any of the things I've suggested. And the affirmation for this month is hand on heart every morning till we come back. Following my intuition opens up new opportunities. Following my intuition opens up new opportunities. Okay, and remember my courses. You know, I've got Life Purpose Revealed, in which you get an astrology reading because it shows you what you should be doing, but you also are having 6 weeks to delve in, look into yourself as well, and it's very revealing. That's what the title's about. And also my astrology online course, which is on Udemy. And if you take my newsletter, the links to both courses are on my newsletter. And there is a special course, special price for my astrology course, which is $29.99, and the link is on there or on my website, the 3Ws, astrologysue.com. So have a fabulous 4 weeks, month, and I will be back at the end of August or the beginning of September. So enjoy the rest of the summer and take care, and come and speak to me if you need to. You know where I am, you know, just contact me. All right, bye for now. Bye bye.